Today we'll talk about how can you disable account activity on your notifications on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do. So you just go down, clicking this sign down here. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for sorry. Like I say, when you click in this sign here, it's going to show for your list like this here. Then you go down, you're looking here for settings, just click on it. You come to next step here, then you click here on notifications. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Click here on account activity, just click on it. You come here to push, just click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean here account activity notifications disable with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.